everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your PlayStation 4 to a little USB thumb drive just like this. So if you ever have a problem with it, you can just plug it in and then restore all your games and stuff. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top, go to Settings, scroll line down to the bottom to System, and then go to where it says Backup and Restore. So once you back up your USB device, in the future you can come back to this section and just restore it. So if you have any information on it, you can retrieve it through this screen. But we can go to Backup PS4, plug in your USB device, and then it should be detected. Now you can go to Applications and you can choose the games you want to back up. And then we can go to Save Data, we can include that, the Capture Gallery, the video clips and screenshots we have, Themes, and then the settings on our account. Now just make sure you have enough storage space, otherwise you won't be able to include all your games, so you have to decide which ones you want to save actually. And then just go to Confirm, so you don't need any games on here if you don't want it. And then we can just do the game saves and then go to Next. And then your PlayStation 4 is going to restart and it will save everything to it. And then we can just come back here and restore it if anything happens. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.